guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Reddit app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this photo, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go above account settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on manage notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down and you come here to community recommendations here. So then you click in this sign or this color. The like you see color it's on here. That's mean community recommendations notifications disable it with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.